Tea is incomplete without snacks, and healthy snacks are one of the rare things. So, I made digestive biscuit today. For this, we need whole wheat flour. I use brown sugar instead of white, little bit of salt and baking powder, and add homemade butter in it. Mix it to remove any lumps into it. Then gradually add cold milk so that all the dry ingredients stuck together. Don't use excess milk, and the bowl should be clear. Now I divided two portion and roll it and made a biscuit shape by using this mold. Then I use the fork to hold the biscuit and bake it for 15 minutes. Delicious biscuits are ready. Enjoy with tea. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.